Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be planting my tomato seeds that I have been germinating. Now these tomato seeds are called Grappoli di Inverno. Now these seeds I am going to be putting in little cups, and I have put, I don't know if you can see, little holes on the bottom. Okay, and these are going to be going to neighbors, family members, and to my community. Now, if you would like to start these indoors, you can, but the heat helps them grow and it helps with seed germination. But like you can see, I started my germination already. These seeds, they will sprout in 7 to 14 days. The ideal temp is 75 to 95 degrees. When you plant them, you want to plant them about 1/8 of an inch deep in the soil. If you're going to be planting them sowing them, excuse me, in your garden directly, 24 inches apart. Are they frost hardy? No. Minimum full sun, 8 to 12 hours a day. Okay. I got these seeds from rareseeds.com. No, I am not sponsored. Wishful thinking. Now, this type of grape is called the winter grape tomato of Old Italy. It's flavorful. Little aromas are delicious and great for snacking, and they're good for fresh or for dried. Like if you'd like to do, hang on, my dog is doing something. Jouette, what are you doing? Stop that. Thank you. Oh, being owned by pets. So anyway, I'm going to start doing this, but I do have something that I would like to discuss, and what I'd like to discuss is what happened in Sturgis. Now, I'm sure everyone has seen the coverage of what happened, and let me just tell you, listen, I used to be a part of the biker community, okay? That Antifa, I don't know what the heck they were thinking. Maybe they weren't thinking at all right? But that's just not something that you do at all, ever, okay? These bikers, listen, they come from all walks of life, okay? They are doctors, they're lawyers, they are judges, they're police officers, they're firemen, okay? Not all of them are bad, all right? Yeah, you do have some outlaws, okay? You do have some bad seeds, but listen, I'm a woman, obviously, okay? And when I tell you, when I was a part of the biker community, okay, I never felt as safe as when I was with those bikers, okay? And I'm being honest, okay? When they say you are family, you are family. They will protect you in any way possible. I don't know what those Antifa people were thinking, I really don't. And I don't think they were thinking at all. It was moronic what they did. Okay? And when that guy with the purple hair, God help him, okay, one rule of thumb, you never touch a bike. And I mean never. An ant just bit me. What the bleh. You never touch a bike, ever, okay? That is the utmost disrespect you can ever do. And when he kicked that bike, okay, you might as well have kicked him. I mean, that's along the same lines. I mean, you don't do it, okay? And I don't know. I don't know how to describe what. Oh, God. It blew my mind when I was watching the coverage. And what's funny is that these Antifa people, they want to defund the police, okay? But yet, the police had to protect them. I'm sure those police officers had to show a lot of restraint. A lot of restraint. But, you know, I it really, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out why, why they felt the need to go there. I really do. I need to know, because that's just not something, those are stomping grounds you don't stomp on if you are not a part of the biker community. All right? You just don't. You don't touch it. You don't go. And I know a lot of people that do go. Okay? My uncle is one of them. And you just, I don't know how to explain it. I really don't. But after he had kicked that guy's bike, and I saw that woman, or in biker terms, an old lady, run up to him, I was like, oh, yeah. I mean, that's what happens. You know, we defend our own. I mean, darn it, I just broke one. I don't know. I don't know how to be nice about this without really getting down and dirty and gritty about what the biker community is all about. You just don't ever screw with them. You really don't. You know, they're the people that you want on your side. Okay? They really are. They're the people that you want on your side. I've been to many events in my time. I've been to many rallies. I've never been to Sturgis. I know I had a chance to go, and I couldn't go because Andrew was little at the time, and I'm like, no, and Sean with his work schedule, we couldn't go. But that was a couple of years ago, and I was just like, no, just because I had my own business, I was like, no, I'm not going to go or whatever. But it would have been an experience, I will say that. But it's just it's bull. It's bull. It's BS what they tried to pull. But I was cheering when they were escorted the hell out of there. I will say that. I was cheering because they had no right to even friggin' be there. But you just don't screw around with the biker community. You don't touch it, because there's going to come a time when they are going to be our last line of defense. They are amazing individuals. They really are. And I miss being a part of the biker community. And that is another time, another discussion that, I don't want to get into right now. But they really are amazing people. I miss, my time that I had with them, and the friends that I made, but they weren't just friends, they were family. They really were. But those poor police officers, what they had to endure, Oh, you want to defund the police department, but yet we have to protect your ass. Yeah, no. Sorry, not sorry. But when they took that guy down with the purple hair, I cheered. I was like, yeah! Because it was bull. They shouldn't have friggin' been there. They should not have been there. But anyway, All right, I got to get the rest of these seeds planted. I got way too many and not enough cups. So I got to get this finished. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe. And if you're returning, thanks for being here. Thanks for coming back and watching. Bye.